Looking to build a successful career in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning? This video explains why data science is one of the most in-demand career paths and how learning from experienced industry professionals can help you become job ready. Learn from Subba Raju Sir, a trainer with 25 plus years of industry experience, and gain practical knowledge through real-time projects, hands-on training, and industry-focused learning. What you'll learn: Python programming, data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, AI, deep learning, SQL, Power BI, real-time projects, job-ready skills. Whether you're a student, graduate, fresher, or working professional, this course is designed to help you upgrade your skills and prepare for high-paying IT careers. Call now 8977-262-627. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on data science, AI, career guidance, and the latest technology trends.